In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Roku TV. First thing is you have to have a newer Roku TV. So if it's a Roku 3 or earlier, it will not have this ability. The first thing you want to do is go to your home screen on your Roku and navigate to these settings. Once under settings, you want to go to the remotes and devices. And then once under remotes and devices, you want to go down to setup where it says pair Bluetooth device. This is where you will take your headphones and make them discoverable. Depending on what headphones you have, you probably need to Google how to make these discoverable. And once you do, you will see them come up under the remotes and devices settings. You just click on them when they come up here on your Roku, and then it will connect them and you are good to go. You will use these as your audio device until they're disconnected or they're not discoverable or able to connect. And that's how you connect Bluetooth headphones to your Roku TV. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.